What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to talk to you about how I make over $10,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing. Okay, you've probably heard me talk about affiliate marketing before, and the reason is because that was how I started. That's still how I make a great income today, and it's a way you can make money as well. So, and if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, go check out my course. It'll be the first link in the description box below. So, before I get to that. So within this, so I'm shooting this, it's January 19th, 2018. Probably within the next few days or within the next week, my course will be going from $399. It's going to be jumping up $100. So get it right now while it's still $100 off, because once I jump it up, I will be adding more things. But if you already get it, you're already included in all those additional bonuses. So don't miss out on the $100 off right now. So how to make $10,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing. First thing, what I'm going to be talking about is also talked about inside this book. This is by Russell Brunson. It's called Expert Secrets. Okay, so inside this, and you can get .com secrets, and it kind of will say the same stuff. But what I'm going to talk about is stuff I learned from this book. If you want to get this book, it's a free book. I think you pay for shipping, I believe. This link will be the second. This book, if you want to get it, it will be the second link in the description box below. I highly recommend this book. Love it, and I've read it multiple times. So let's get into how I make over $10,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing. First thing is, one of the things that so many people do, and I talked about this before, and it works, but it's not as effective, is especially if you're dealing with courses. But what I say is, go onto YouTube, create a video on like this back scratcher. This the best back scratcher ever, whatever. Create this video on it. Okay, so you go and do that, and then you put a link to Amazon to go and buy this exact back scratcher. Okay, that's one way to make money with affiliate marketing. That's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about is you want to target an audience. Remember, I did a video yesterday. I don't know if you saw it. If you didn't, go and check it out. But I did a video yesterday, and I talked about how you need to think like the end consumer, not like a marketer. If you think like the end consumer, you'll be able to create different things and to really target their pain points. Here's what I'm talking about. So let's talk about, let's say somebody has back pain. That's not the pain I'm talking about. The pain is that they are struggling with something. What is it? Is it they are not making enough money? That is the pain point with a lot of entrepreneurs, is they want to make more money. They want to work less. They want to spend more time with their loved ones. And that's their pain point. So when you target their pain points, it makes it a whole lot easier to sell them something that can actually benefit them. So let's talk about this. You can see it all right here. Yeah, I'm not hiding anything right now, but so let's talk about, let's say you have a product, and I have no clue if this is a real product. This is a made up product that I decided I'm just gonna give it a name. And then I also go into how I would structure my bonuses and really what are bonuses for. First thing I would do is I'd find a good product, some that I think would be a great item to promote. You don't have to buy it, but if you do, it makes it a whole lot easier to talk about and to really sell it. First thing I would do is I'd pick my products right here, the Miracle Back Pain Be Gone. That's my product. It's a $49 product, and if it sells, I would make $43 commission. Again, that's not a real product. I made it up. All these numbers are made up. Okay, so if you were to sell that and it sold for $79 to somebody that struggled with back pain, okay, they want to figure out how do they get rid of back pain. They're paying a chiropractor, they're paying a doctor all this money every single month, and their back pain is still there. They can't get rid of it. So you target that pain point. What I do is I do a bonus. Okay, I structure an entire bonus series around that particular offer. I've talked about this before. So what I would do is I would create a bunch of different bonuses. And what Russell Brunson talks about inside this book, he calls it a stack. Okay, so what you're doing is you're stacking bonuses on top of the current deal, and by the end of it, they're thinking, well, of course I'd pay $79 for something that has $226 in additional bonuses, all for free, right? And again, so check out that book if you haven't read it. If you've read that book, let me know in the comment section below. What was the biggest thing you took away from this book? Okay. So let's talk about the bonuses that I'd offer. If it was Miracle Back Pain Be Gone, what I would do is I would offer, these are the bonuses, 15 simple exercises to strengthen your back while sitting. Most people that have back pain, chances are they sit a lot. So if they're sitting a lot, what can they do? What different exercises, different movements, different twists, different stretches could they do to strengthen their back without getting out of the chair, without getting off of the the out of the driver's seat? Maybe it's a trucker, who knows? Okay, maybe they're elderly, maybe they are disabled in some way. How could they do it from the sitting position and still strengthen their back enough to hopefully one day or eventually get out of the chair, be able to move around, throw the ball, drive without, issues? What could they do? Okay. So right there, $49 value. Another $49 value would be 50 critical daily habits to avoid. Number 24 will shock you. Again, I made these bonuses up. These are not actual bonuses that I use. Okay. But I'm giving you ideas. That's the whole point and the purpose of this video is to show you what I do to make over $10,000 every single month, but at the same time, to show you how to do it. So number 24 will shock you. The reason why I put that in there is because what I would normally do is I would bold shock when I do the actual bonuses, when I show them, because people, it's gonna kind of show them, and it's gonna almost open up their eyes, like, oh, I really want to know what number 24 is. I would pay $49 to know exactly what number 24 is. That was all he taught me. Okay, so right there, $49 value, a $99 value, the 21-step plan. I do this a lot. I create these 21-step plans, 21-step guides, 21-step how-tos on how to do a specific task. The reason I create these is because people like lists. BuzzFeed created or kind of made these popular. They call them listicles. But what you do is you create this list of 21 different things or 21 steps. Right here, I call it the 21-step plan to eliminate back pain forever. Because miracle back pain be gone, chances are it's going to eliminate back pain for a small little window. Maybe a few weeks, maybe a few months, but how do you eliminate back pain for the rest of your life? That's what I show here. That's a $99 value. $29 value would be 25 different stretches to improve your posture. This would be done all in videos. Usually I create the videos or I pay somebody to do it. If you don't have money, you don't have a budget to do that, create the videos yourself, stick it on YouTube, and then give them the link. Okay, you give them a link, or you create this PDF or whatever talking about the different stretches, and then you give them the full video at the end. Here's a video to show you exactly how to do it. That's a $29 value. So total value, $226 additional, and all you have to pay is $79 today. Once you do that, all you gotta do, send me an email, let me know that you purchased the course, and I will send you all these additional bonuses absolutely for free just by enrolling today. That's it. And you get a bunch of people to come in. Let me explain what else I do. And this is where it really changes, okay? This is where most people, again, it's talked about inside this book, Expert Secrets. The link will be a second link inside the description box below. But, so first off right there, how does that offer sound to you? Would you buy it? Chances are you would. Why? Because you're getting over $200 in bonuses absolutely free by paying $79. And what makes it even greater is that you still have the option, because most courses have the option to get a money back guarantee. So whether you keep the course or not, I'm still giving you my bonuses. The reason why that's so important is because, one, even though you're giving away the bonuses, even if you don't get those $43, you still have their email. You can still send them emails every single week, every couple weeks, and offer different things. Offer a different course, a different, products over on Amazon or whatever. Okay, so you can still make money. That's where most people don't do it, is they give the product away, the person gets a refund, and then they don't follow up with them. How's it going? Do you have any questions? What can I do? What product do you need to help you achieve X goal? Okay, that's a big difference. That probably makes up 15%, maybe 20% of my income is just by creating an autoresponder. For me, I use a software called ConvertKit. The link to that will be in the description box below if you want to check it out. I think you get like a 14-day trial or something. But what I do is I create this autoresponder. So even though I give away this free offer to whatever affiliate niche I'm in, I'm still going to keep their email address until they actually unsubscribe. Once they unsubscribe, then obviously I'm out that person, out the money or out the effort. But in the meantime, the potential to make those $43 commissions by giving away this simple bonus pack is great. The sales go up quite a bit. They go up drastically, especially if you offer more and more bonuses, offer something that nobody else is offering. even if they bought it directly from the site, Miracle Pain Be Gone, they're not getting any bonuses. So why would they go there? Why wouldn't they buy it right from you and get those bonuses? Okay. Here's the difference. You create a simple life-changing video right there. You stick that over on YouTube, and then you promote it. You promote your YouTube video on Facebook to groups and to individuals. The reason why you do this, okay, and don't do this in the entrepreneurship niche. Don't do this on the make money online marketing, affiliate marketing niche. Don't do it because all the people, myself included, you probably know this as well. It's when you post stuff like a YouTube video, especially in a make money online niche, they look at it as spam because like, why would you show that? What value is there? Without even watching the video, they're like, what value are you offering by promoting your video, your YouTube channel? Don't do that. You're just trying to make money. But when you do that in the back pain niche, you do that in the how to eat healthy niche, getting or dealing with autism, dealing with somebody that has cancer, whatever it is. Those actually look like they're valuable because you're offering so much insights. But that's not looked at. It's not the same thing when you're doing make money online or anything, around that area. So be aware of that. But what you do is you create a life-changing video. Here's what I mean by life-changing video. Let me do that. You're gonna create a simple life-changing video. Here's what I mean. And again, it's talked about inside this book. I know I'm pushing this book on you because I just read that again this morning, and it's really, I've learned a couple new things, okay? Or maybe I haven't learned, but I remember a couple more things than when I read it this morning than when I read it like 3 weeks ago, okay? Like I said, I've read this book multiple times. But one of the things Russell Brunson talks about is to target their pain points, okay? To instead of selling them on the product, sell them on the belief, on the idea that once they get this Miracle Back Pain Be Gone course and my bonuses, life's going to be better. They can go, play tennis with their grandkids. They can go, back to work without worrying about, do they have their back brace on? They can't pick up a box more than 20 pounds. These are little things that to you, they may not seem like a big deal, but to me, okay, somebody that has had multiple family members deal with back pain on a daily basis, not being able to pick up a 20-pound box because it's 22 pounds, and that 2-pound difference could pull their back out. It could hurt them in some way. So those people, like I said, when you know the audience, when you know the market, when you know their pain points, makes it a whole lot easier to sell to them. Okay, so that's one of the things he talks about is to don't sell them on the product. Okay, sell them on the belief that this is what you should do. This is what life should be like. You shouldn't have to worry about wearing a back brace just to go pick up your grandkids, or you shouldn't have to worry about sitting on the chair for too long or laying on your stomach or on your side in the middle of the night. Life is full of choices, but those probably aren't the choices you want. You need to sell them on the belief that what you have in front of them will make their life better. Do that, and then show them the bonuses, and that's what he calls a stack. Okay, in here he's talking about you stack your bonuses, especially if you're dealing with a course, a product, something like that. But it works with affiliate marketing. Okay, I've talked about this before, and I'm going to continue to talk about. This is one of the things I teach inside my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. Again, the price goes up. It's going to go up over $100 in the next week. So get it now while it's still $100 off. Okay, but that's something I teach because it works. It's something that I do. When I read this book, actually this wasn't the first book I read from him. I actually read .com Secrets, and that's one of the things I recommend inside one of my email lists. But what I talk about, or what I've done for so long, is I've offered bonuses, but I haven't structured them the way that Russell Brunson teaches inside this book. The way I structured them was, okay, get this, buy this product, but also email me, and I'm going to send you $150 in bonuses. But I don't really tell them what the bonuses are. And then a lot of the bonuses, sometimes they're the value is a little bit inflated, but in most cases, the value is accurate. But the bonuses, it's like, that bonus didn't even really help them. Here, all these bonuses help them because they're trying to, get rid of back pain. Miracle Back Pain Be Gone. And the bonuses all revolve right around back pain. How to get rid of back pain. So these are additional bonuses. These aren't going to cover what this covers. And so again, that's one of the reasons why you should buy the product so that you know what it deals with, what it covers, so that you can make something that is valuable in addition to it, not a standalone product, okay? That they go together hand in hand. So that is what I do, and that's how I make well over 100, well over I was gonna say 100,000, well over $10,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing. No, I have not cleared $100,000 a month consistently with affiliate marketing. So you guys wondering, no, I have not done that just yet, and actually being consistent with it. Yes, I've made over $100,000 doing affiliate marketing online, but it hasn't been consistent month after month. So once I get there, I will let you know. But yes, I have been extremely consistent doing $10,000 plus every single month with affiliate marketing, and this is how I'm doing it. Okay. So if you guys have questions, let me know. Again, this isn't to sell you on affiliate marketing because chances are you already know what affiliate marketing is. You want to get money or you want to get into it and really make a lot more money. But the way to do it is to add more value. The only way that I've really seen to add more value and be consistent throughout the years is to offer valuable products. And what I like to do is offer digital assets such as some type of digital download, a digital course, online coaching, whatever it may be, a free, a paid Facebook group, but you can get them in for free. There's so many things you can do to make money in this business. You just got to think a little bit differently, got to be creative, okay? And you can make money. Honestly, $10,000 a month doing affiliate marketing, that's not, there's so many people, I'm, dead serious. There's so many people out there making a lot more than $10,000 a month. There's people that you probably didn't even know because they don't advertise it, they don't promote it, you don't see their face, but they're making a great income with affiliate marketing. It's simply because they're putting stuff out there, getting people to opt into a list, talking to them through email, offering them additional services, offering them additional coaching to buy a certain product. Okay? So if you guys need help with that, need help getting into affiliate marketing, what is it, how to make money, anything like that, put your questions in the comment section below. Like I said, this is the last time I'm going to probably talk about this, but $399 is the price of my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course. This course is going to teach you everything from A to Z, how to make money with affiliate marketing and how to make it a consistent income without actually having to do the work. Okay? You can make money while you're sleeping. So if you're interested in that, want the $100 off, get it today before the price goes up. Because honestly, price is going up. It's going up probably in the next 2 to 5 days. So get it before it goes up. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button if you want more videos on affiliate marketing, and I'll see you guys on the next video.